So, hello students, good morning to all of you, and how are you all? So, welcome to our next lecture about trigonometric function, and in our subtopic is that periodic function. See, now periods. What are periods? Period refer to a time. Okay, periods refer to a time. तो periods बेले काना गोटे टाइम के आमे कहि परबा सर्टन 1 hour 2 hour और ड्यूरेशन ऑफ आ क्लास आमे गोटे क्लास रो ड्यूरेशन के भी कहि परबा गोटे पीरियड in our case one period of mathematics let maybe 45 minutes to 1 hour like that. So here this is something different. Okay, now periodic functions, what is this? Periodic functions refer to, see and listen carefully, a function is said to be periodic function. Okay, a function is said to be periodic if there exists a real number t which is greater than 0, that may be 2, 3, 4, 5 etc. It will may be infinity, such that f of x plus t is equal to f of x. Okay, clear? This definition all of you will understood if we will do some problems, we will do some questions. Okay, this is just a statement that you need to know about this. So, a function is said to be periodic when we will say this, if there exists a real number t such that f of x plus t is equal to f of x. तो आम केतबेले गोटे कहबा इने ई t टा गोटे रियल नंबर टे इने गोटे फंक्शन रे ऐड कला परे गोटे सर्टेन पीरियड परे अगेन सेटा आउस्तुबा बुझी पारछो हे गोटे एग्जांपल टे नेला धन्य वी हैव अ सर्किल here initiating point m, after take a complete round we will come here again, we complete a period here and the degree measurement is 2 pi. We read this already, आमे पढ़ी सारी छु, we all knew about this. Okay, this is a period, it may be a period. Okay, in that case, so when we started with a line of point, we comes again to that point, we repeat that point, when we pass through that we can call a period. Okay, of some distances here circumference, but here functions, a function is said to be periodic if there exists a real number that will be here t when t is greater than 0. Why? 2, 3, it will 2, 3. If 0, then there will be, if t is 0, then there will be no difference between this statement. That's why here written t will be greater than 0 for all x. Why? For all values of x. See, now one more statement is that if t is the smallest positive real number, now all of you need to know about this, what is real number. Okay, now whole number system is divided into two parts, real number, imaginary number. In that real number you have natural number, okay, integer, okay, rational number. Okay, in between that you have an irrational number also there, rational, irrational, real, imaginary. We will discuss about this in your next chapters. Okay, complex number and with imaginary number. We can write that I, आमे I लेखिकी represent करी पारबा. So if t is the smallest positive number, real number, such that f of x plus t equal to f of x, जदि t गोटे वैल्यू टे जार लगी ई फंक्शन टा अगेन तार से एग्जैक्ट पोजीशन के फेरी पारुचे, देन से टी के आम कौन कहबा फंडामेंटल पीरियड कहबा इ टीटा गोटे पीरियड टे गोटे टाइम टे जार पर से एक्सप्रेशन आंसरटा अगेन रिपीट होचे इतार एप्लिकेशनटा आम बहुत जगह यूज करबा इंटीग्रेशन डेरिवेटिव कला बेल के है सेकेंड ईयर रे एबे भी किछिटा यूजेस अच्छे है बेले मुझे कण कहवा लगे चाहूचे देख साइन जीरो रो वैल्यूटा एग्जांपल टे गला साइन जीरो रो वैल्यूटा जीरो है बुझे बुझे आउ केते समय गोटे आसले फेन साइन रो वैल्यूटा जीरो हेबा दैट इज योर साइन 180 डिग्री दिस विल बी आल्सो जीरो तो सी हियर जीरो एंड हियर 2 पाई आफ्टर 2 पाई रोटेशन value of sin theta is again same here the period is 2 pi okay now all समस्त बुझी जाइथिबो एबे बुझी पालो तो इने कहि परबा we can say here periods of sin is 2 pi now generally we can write periods for this sin cos okay tan cot sec cosec we will know about this now let me clear again I repeat this तो आम केतला गोटे फंक्शन के पीरियडिक कहबा जेते बेले तार वैल्यूडा से सेम वैल्यूडा आस्तबा गोटे पीरियड परे पीरियड रेफर टू हियर मेजरमेंट ओके एज वी कंसीडर ट्रायगोनोमेट्रिक रेशियो वी नीड टू कंसीडर measurement that will be in your degree or in radian form okay now what is this t is the smallest positive number real number such that x plus t is equal to f of x. Now t is called fundamental period of f of x. Okay, why? This is the period, and the in case of sine ratios 2 pi is your answer. 2 pi is the fundamental periods. Why 2 pi? After 2 pi rotation, after passing 2 pi length, value of sine is same. Repeated again. Clear? Now sine and cosine function are periodic with 2 pi okay sine and cosine are periodic with 2 pi okay you need to memorize this similarly tan you can write tangent or tan theta and cotangent or you can write cot theta periodic functions with pi after 180 degree rotation here extremely sorry this is pi okay extremely sorry this we need to write this okay I will sort out this problem after some times okay we need to evaluate this sorry for this mistake see similarly tangent and cotangent are periodic function with pi okay now secant and cosecant are periodic function with similar to that 2 pi clear all these 6 ratios have periodicity you can easily know about this okay we will solve some problem for that all of you can know how these periods exist with these ratios okay आमे प्रॉब्लम किछिटा सॉल्व करबा तापरे पूरा क्लियरली जानी पारबा जे एतर वैल्यूटा केते केते आछे तो देखो आमे किछिटा प्रॉब्लम करबा के जाउछु एक्सक्यूज मी